So for the orange tea bread, this is the ingredients we need. 150 grams of currants, 150 grams of raisins, 150 grams of dark brown sugar, 275 grams of self-raising flour, 1 beaten egg, we'll leave that to the following day, zests from 2 oranges, and 300 mils of black tea. And we want a bread tin, okay? This is the large bread tin. And what we need to be doing now is add in all our fruit, zests, dark brown sugar, and pour in our tea. Give this a good mix round. And that's it. All we need to do then is leave this for 24 hours. And we'll come back tomorrow and we can finish the cake off. It's now time to put our oven on. Now our oven temperature wants to be 130 Celsius. That's for fan assisted, or 300 Fahrenheit. Now your fruit and everything's been left for 24 hours. Come on, don't that smell good? So all that fruit has now got all that tea soaked into it, and obviously the orange as well. All we need to do now is just add our flour in. And our beaten egg. Give that a good mix in. Just fold it in so everything's folded in together. Cool, that does now smell beautiful. Right, and that's it. That's all you need to be doing. Get our tin. Just to recap, this is baking paper or baking parchment, whichever the case may be, whichever you want to use. Now we just put our cake mix into the tin. And just spread it out over the top so it's nice and flat. So we'll get our cake into the oven. Now it's going to take 1.5 hours to bake. Oven temperature of 130 Celsius. Good idea to bake on a tray today. There we go. Just like that. So let's check our cake. And the best way of checking our cake is with the end of a thermometer. So we'll just probe it in there just a minute, just to see it's done or not. Oh yeah, that is actually done lovely. So what we're going to do now is just leave that in the tin for around about 10 to 20 minutes to cool down, and then we'll take him out and put him onto a baking wire. So there we go folks, that's our cake. Look at that, doesn't that look scrummy? That did take 5 minutes less than 1.5 hours. Let's take the paper off. Oh yes. It's well cooled now. God, you should smell that. That's absolutely beautiful. So there's no point looking at this. So let's cut her open and have a taste, because I don't even know what this tastes like. There's the old faithful breadboard. I'm really looking forward to this. Let's take a piece off the end. Oh, just look at that. That just looks absolutely lush. Let's take a piece off. Now you could say this has been inspired by Mary Berry. That's about the stretch of it. Inspired by. God, that is lush. You got that beautiful flavour in it. The dark brown sugar just adds it with the orange and the tea. That just works a treat. That's beautiful. And you know what? You could almost put butter on this as well. So there's no problem with this because it is bread, allegedly. But to me, that is absolutely scrummy. If you want the recipe, it is down in the description. Well, there you go, folks. If you're liking this type of content, please subscribe and please share. And don't forget, there's a link up there if you want to buy me a coffee. Or you can give me a super thanks. And we'll see you again very shortly on the Crazy Baker channel. Laters!